Can you transfer money from Steam Wallet to your bank account? Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to look at if you are able to transfer money from your Steam Wallet to your bank account. Now, the simple answer is no, you cannot, because the money from your Steam Wallet, you can only use it inside Steam Store to purchase different games and offers. There is no direct way for you to transfer your money back to your bank account. So if you want to add accounts to your Steam wallet, you can do that via your bank account, but there is no way to reverse it. It is because Steam has this privacy policy that you can find here. So if you just head over to your Steam and go to your wallet, you can view different wallet offers here, and you'll see this Steam subscriber agreement as well. So if you click on it here, you can find that you won't be able to reverse the payment. So the payment process is related to content and services or hardware purchased on Steam. It is performed either Valve Corporation directly or by the Valve's fully owned subsidiary, Valve GmbH. So these are about their licensing, but the general idea is the same. You will not be able to recover your funds from Steam Wallet. You just have to spend it on Steam's app itself. So no, the simple answer is no, you cannot reverse the payment or transfer money from your Steam Wallet back to bank account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.